in today's class we are going to discuss about walk cycle. This is from Animator Survival Kit from Richard Williams. Okay, from that book I have taken this reference. So this is the contact pose and this is little bit down pose. Okay, then it is pass pose, up pose and contact pose. So you can see both contact pose over here. This is the first contact pose and this is the last contact pose. Okay, so while seeing this is a 2D drawing, right? So while we are doing in 3D, we are not that much anticipating the poses. Okay, so while we are doing this, we don't need this much rotation, like the hands are not that much wide. That kind of things we have to be understand while doing 2D reference in 3D. So don't exaggerate that much in 2D. Take this as only a reference part. Okay, while our character is suitable for doing such 2D shows, like 2D shows, like you have seen Tom and Jerry, right? So Tom and Jerry and all that are so much exaggerated, while our rig supports the 2D thing only. We have to do it like that. So it is depending upon the show. So our character, what is our character supporting, do only that thing. Okay, so you have to understand the poses. 1 2 3 4 5 poses are there for a walk cycle. So I will be teaching to do a cycle. Okay, I am not doing the first pose, second pose, third pose, fourth pose and fifth pose. What I am going to do is that this is the first pose, this is the last pose, right? So and the next pose will be the same exact copy of this pose. So this will be a cycle while coming from here to here, and that is this thing come and we'll go for a cycle. Okay, so let us spread it out and exaggerate it a little more so it is clear. Okay, that is more exaggerated. So in a normal walk, realistic walk, the weight goes down just after the step, just after the contact, and the weight goes up just after the passing position, like that. So I will be showing while doing in the 3D. Okay, so this is the base reference and you will be understanding each of the pose by heart, each of the pose. So while doing 5 or 6 times you will be able to understand what all the poses are. So we will be going to the software. Okay, so this is my character. Okay, this is a rigged character. So first of all we will be looking for the controllers. Okay, the complete controllers. So this is the hand controller and I am pressing this. So this is the hand controller. Okay, and this is the supportive of the hand. So this is a pole vector. Okay, so supporting the hand, our this area. Okay, then we have legs. The leg also have pole vector like this. I select this is there. Then we have the hip, the main controller is controlling the whole stuff. Then this control, and the same controllers as well as the head. Okay, the mouth, the head. Okay, this is a simple rig. Okay, so with this rig we will be animating the walk cycle, right? So we are going to start. Okay, while doing a simple animation, a walk cycle, we are using first cycle as 24 frame and second as 24 frame. So how will be the complete frame count? 24. So I will be taking not 24, I will be taking as 20/40. After that I will be adjusting the keyframe. Okay, means that I am selecting the whole thing, whole controllers, and no need of camera, selecting the whole thing. We can find the keyframes. I am deleting all the keyframes and we will be starting from here, selecting the whole character and making an auto key and press yes. Okay, so you can see completely the first keyframe over here. Okay, understand? Okay, then I am copying this keyframe. So while we will go to the first pose, look at the first pose. You can see here the first pose. The leg is here and the leg is right here. So I will be fixing the leg like this. So I'm clicking this character and I'm just moving him, and just it is moving. The second control should be like this. Okay, then so it will be down, I'll be making a little bit up. Okay, then I am going to make the full keys copy. So if you want, you can do like that, otherwise it is not a big issue. Just delete the keyframes, and if you are only concentrating in these two controllers, okay, I am only concentrating in these two controllers. So I am making the hip like this stiff. The hip is stiff, that's not a big issue because we are concentrating only on this controllers. Which controller? The leg controller. So I am selecting this and I will be make a copy. So shift middle mouse, left mouse, drag, and I will be making on 20th frame, and this is the copy I am making is 40 frames. So the total default value will be 40 frames, right? 40. So I will be clicking this time configuration and I will making M40. Why? Because I only want to see the 40th frame. Okay, so these are the 3 keyframes. So I will be, what I am going to do is that I am selecting this controller and make a copy. Right click, if I can make a copy for this one. Okay, otherwise just click here and move here, and just no need of copy pasting, just drag and just drag. Okay, and select this controller. You can see the rotation angle and something like that. So I will be moving this controller, you can see like this, right? Okay, and there is ball rotation, this kind of thing are there, foot, wrist, okay, toe, like that. So if I want to make this ankle rotation 0, and I will be adjusting the ball, toe twist, okay, banking, foot rotate, I am using this foot rotate here. Okay, understand? So you can see, right, it's coming from here to here. You understand? So this is the custom attributes. Okay, now the same thing should be happen from here is coming here. So click here, this controller. Okay, so I will be selecting this controller and seeing the attribute ankle rotate 3.1. okay, so use the same thing, ankle rotate 3.1. okay, if foot rotate is there, make him 0. Understand? So I will be clicking here and foot rotate minus 7.4, right? Minus 7.4. Yeah, minus 4.7. Minus 4.7. So then I have been dragging like this, and I'm selecting this. Ankle is okay. Foot rotate is minus 4.7 for the same controls, right? While he is coming here also, I want the same value. Understand? So I make that foot controller for the same thing, right? Then this also I have to make the same property. Otherwise, no need of bothering that. Just click here and make a copy. Just drag and drop. So you can see the cycle is been happening. You understand? Okay. So the cycle is been happening for the both legs. Okay. So now we can see through the images. This is the first thing, this is the last thing, and I am and I make a third pose also. Now I am playing it is coming to this pose and it is coming to the final pose. So this is called a cycle. Okay, don't bother anything about the hip and all. Hip should be right here. Okay, I am not animating hip. Okay, I am not at all animating, and I am not at all bothering about hip. Okay, only what is animating is that only the leg part only. Okay, I'm just dragging it like this. I'm not making any keyframes. I'm just making it, make sure that the poses are little bit good. Okay, now you can see right here. Okay, so now I will play. You can see, yes, the simple animation is been happening. Okay, now we are going to the second pose. Now you can see the second pose right here. Look, only don't concentrating on the upper body part, only on the lower body part. I am not at all concentrating in hip also. Okay, no need of going through the hip also, only concentrating in the leg part. So the second second thing is that this is the pose, right, like this. Okay, this leg is being like this, contact, yeah, bended. So I'll be doing like this down. So I'll be selecting the leg and I'm making him 0, and this also being 0. Now you can see, look, you understand? Okay, now the second pose is that we can check once more. Just select this and make sure that it is coming like this. Okay, so while I am in the fourth pose, and I'll select this and I will be using the ankle right here. Okay, and little bit backward also right here. So okay, and foot rotate I am not using anything rather than what, angle rotation, only angle rotation I am be working. Okay, now this pose is also been right. So and I'll be just dragging this little bit over here. Okay, now you can see the both things is been working fine. Okay, after that the third pose, it is on stretch and the leg part is like a little bit rotation on backward. Okay, now then I will be going for the eighth frame and selecting this and just dragging like this, and I make a little bit rotation for the leg on the back side, just back, just so. While doing this, if you want the angle rotation should be not that much, I will be decreasing that angle rotation. Okay, now you can see just on top is coming like this. So if you don't want the angle rotation also, I have been making it 0. That's not a big issue. Select this and make sure that it's going like this. Just click and make like this. So now you can see, okay, and make him little bit, this area little bit front. So okay, little bit drag. Okay, now the pose is been okay while compared to this one. Okay, just click and make him okay. Little bit slide also be needed. So if you want, you can add little bit what, slide angle rotation slightly. Okay, now the third pose, no, the fourth pose, I will be clicking here and just making the fourth pose is absolutely coming front. Okay, the last pose, 8 12. Okay, 12 is completely coming on forward. I am deleting this one and make him foot angle also releasing, and should be like this. Okay, and just forward. Okay, now I am changing little bit. Why? Because the complete pose is been moving under no need of 20. I will make him 32. Okay, 32, 16. Okay, by because this much keyframe I don't want, so I am selecting the two controllers and I am making him 16. Okay, 16, 32. So I will make 40, not 40, I will make 36. Okay, I am selecting this. I only want 36. No, 32. Okay, 32, not 36, 32. 16 plus 16, right? 32. Just drag it and make it 32. So I only want 32. No need of 40. Okay, for a normal walk cycle, you understand? For a normal walk cycle, so play this one. Okay, only concentrating on the which leg, left leg. Okay, it's little bit okay, but I have to work so hard. So I will be fixing first this thing, and I am making the changes. So I am selecting this. I will make a copy of this. So after that I will make a little bit change. No, that kind of rotation is not be needed. I told na, it is only a 3D, so no need of that much exaggeration and all. So I am selecting this, and I am making a little bit adjustment for that, only little bit rotation for that. Okay, make 5. Okay, sorry, this one 5. Okay, now I will be sliding this. Okay, little bit more. Okay, this also I don't want this much. Okay, I will make a little bit slide here, and I am clicking him and just drag like this. Okay, so that much exaggeration, we don't need that much exaggeration. Okay, little bit is needed. Okay, so this much height also we don't want need, so I will be making little bit down. So on a real life walk, it won't take this much height, right? So we'll be going for the graph and all, but just for the beginning sake we are only doing this. So now you can see this is more flexible, right, rather than comparing to the previous stage. Now what I am going to do is that I will be working on this one. Okay, so this is the poses, right? These are the poses, but I am not exaggerating that much, because this character word work if I give more exaggeration for that. So this is on 16. Select. Oh, it is on 17. No, it is absolutely on 16. Every keyframe should be on 16. Okay, 8, 12, 16. Yeah, it is on 16, right? Yeah, 16. 16. Okay. Now we are concentrating on the second controllers, means on the second cycle. So on this it will be coming on 20, so I will be making 0. This thing also means 0. Okay, now you can see it is coming nice. Then this control also should be little bit slide up. Okay, not that much, a little bit rotation down, and make little bit down and little bit stretch. Okay, now it's coming. Yeah, should be like this, like this. Okay, and this should be down with 3 or else 2. Okay, so this is a rough pose. We will be tweaking this one, and the rotation also should be little bit more. Okay, if no angle rotation is been also okay. 24, then it's coming for 28. I will be making all the things 0. Okay, and this like this, little bit front, and okay, now I will be making a play. Understand? It's been smooth, right? If any problem is there, we will be going for the graph and we will be fixing that one. Okay, I will be making a pose. Okay, and we will be checking the graph curve. Okay, and be checking the whole things, that any problem is been happening for the graph. So this is been smooth. Yeah, no problem, this has been smooth. Then Y, yeah, phi is also smooth. Then Z, if yeah, Z is also smooth. Okay, then we will go for rotation X, rotation Y, rotation X. Yeah, X has also been smooth, Y smooth, Z also is smooth, so no problem is there. Okay, it's also smooth. Okay, now I'll be going little bit down, and for angle rotation select this. Yeah, I have little bit problem for this angle rotation, right? So I'll be dragging like this, just drag from here. I'll be deleting and I'll be checking. Yeah, Yeah, it's been sorted, right? Then yeah, okay. Now I'll be clicking this one and I'll be checking the same thing for the every axis. Select this, it's been okay. Y rotation, X rotation, as well as the complete rotation should be checked. Y, Z, okay, it's okay. Then moving to the attribute, ankle rotate, yeah, it's okay. Ball rotate, toe rotate, and everything is okay. So I'll be selecting this, okay, just moving, okay. So I'll be looking like this. We can see the exact movement for the leg, right? Okay, so make sure that the first frame is equal to the last frame. Okay, this copy should be on the last frame, okay, otherwise it will be jerking, understand? So if I want to make it more the animation should be more clear, what I am going to do is that just click like here, and you can use while coming, yeah, I think we have certain problems from here, right? Look, okay, I will be sorting with the help of graph once more, moving the graph. So I will be just coming like this. I will be deleting this keyframe, checking. No, only click this one and try to delete this one. No, that's not working fine. So I will be moving this keyframe and try to delete this one. Yes, okay, and this one also I will be deleting this one also. No, so make sure that you are going to delete the exact keyframe, exact problem area. So I will be making some rotation right here, okay, okay, or else I will be selecting this and I will be no need of that this thing. Maybe this is the problem. Yeah, this is the problem. So no need of that much what ankle rotation for that. Understand? Okay, and make sure that this won't penetrate on the ground. Understand? This won't be penetrating on the ground. Okay. So I will be making this much. Okay. Yeah, this is also been penetrating, right? So just select it and making little bit up. This also I will be making a little bit rotation for the smooth movement, just like this. So I will be making little bit front. Yes. So the spacing should be proper, right? Proper. So you can see on the left leg it is being smoothened, right? Look, you understand, it's smooth. Okay, now on the second area also the spacing should be very important. So compared to this one, yes, the spacing is working, right? From here it is showing the spacing, yeah, and this is also been working fine. Okay, yeah, the spacing little bit, yeah, that spacing is losing something, so select this and move little bit backward. Okay, okay, now I will be moving the graph little bit up and I will be making a play. Okay, no need of looking anything else, only for the leg part, only for leg we are looking, only leg part, right? Okay, now we are going for the play blast. So you can see the exact what is been happening on the play blast. Okay, select this, and we are going for the play blast. So I will be moving this keyframe out and closing this one, and I'm making a play blast. So preview, create preview animation and make him little bit more. So I'll make it 200 and 200, not 200, 150. I'll make 150, 150. Okay, and making the play blast. So I don't need see of background, bones, particle system, and I only want to see the geometry. Okay, high quality default shading, create. Okay, the texture is not come. Okay, no problem. So no texture is been attached, that's why. Create preview animation. I will be making geometry, shape, space, high quality default shading. I will make as wireframe, no, clay. Okay, I'll make, so no need of showing the texture. Okay, it's been working, right? So we'll be crossing for each frame. Something is not registering on the right leg. It is mean not nothing is registering. Okay, while coming this, it's on a speed process like that. So what I'm going to do is that I will be selecting this and make him the copy for that, and I will be making little bit like this on this angle, this area, little bit. So no need of rotation for that. Okay, I'll be just moving this control like here. Okay, now you can see a little bit rotation for that, little bit. Okay, and little bit up. I'll make 8. Little bit back, and rotation like this. Okay, now it's been working fine. Understand? So the spacing is equally important as well as the timing. So this also I will be working. Just click, moving, yeah, like this. It's been working. Okay, now I will make a play blast. So make sure that we will be taking the play blast also. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Play blast is our main final output, so make sure that. Now look on the right hand side leg, it's working fine. Look, it's registering, it's coming back and it's registering. Okay, on sometimes you just look for the reference on the 2D part, then we will be working 3D as our whatever our character are telling, means that the rig, supporting the rig. You understand? Otherwise it won't be working if you'll be looking 100% for the 2D thing. Okay, now this area also I have been little bit this area we can see the reference for that. Yeah, okay, yeah, little bit. Okay, for the follow through thing I will making little bit like this, so like this. Okay, now this has been, both leg is been working fine, as smooth as that. Okay, or if something is happening penetrating, just make sure that it is little bit up for this. In between, just make little bit up, that's all. We can use the in between key, that's all. Okay, understand? Now we will working on the hip part, hip up and down and up and down. So you look this one and you can see the up and down position like this, up down up down. You can, if I draw an arc, it is like this. Look, a curve, it's a curve. Okay, now we'll be attaching the curve on the poses. So down on the 4th position, just make down. So down means on Y or X or Z. Okay, so now selecting this, I will be making down 4th position, make down. Okay, down. Okay, not that much, little bit. So down, then up means little bit up, then on the same position means 16th position will be the as copy as the 0. Okay, 8 up, then this copy for the same thing. Okay, this will be the first copy, and this will be as same as the first position. Okay, down, then the fourth will be the copy for the 20, 8 will be the copy for the 24. Understand? Okay, so you can see the cycle here. Then the first should be the copy for the last. Now play, we can see the cycle, right? So why it is finding some problems? Why? Because the hand is not been animated, that's why. Okay, it's working fine, but we have more things to the left leg is been penetrating, so we have to fix it. It's animator's job to fix it. Just click here and just little bit more up. Okay, now I make a play blast. No, you'll play. First of all, we will play, and understand? It's been working, right? Okay, now I make a play blast. Create preview animation, high quality, preference clay. Okay, and light, cameras and all, I don't want anything, so I'll make a play blast. Create. So penetration should be avoided, otherwise the time of lighting we can see the exact what is been happening on the character's hand or leg, or which area is penetrating. Now you can see the leg is been penetrating, right? So don't cheat on this area. If we cheat and animate it, nothing will be happening, while on the lighting time the correction will be coming. Lighting correction, which shot you have done. If for example the 12th shot you have been done, and I have been cheated something like this, and while it is been approved by the animation time, but if the guy who is doing the lighting shot number 12, so he will be able to understand what is happening here, and you will be getting the, or I will be getting the lighting correction. So I have to fix at the same time. So make sure that while we are animating, we are not going to tweak anything. Make sure that it is properly fixed, no penetration is been happened. Okay, okay, now it's looking fine, right? Okay, penetration and all we will be fixing, okay, from the coming classes. You understand, right? From the next class I will be we will be making fine tuning the legs more, as well as we are going to animate the head also, and the hip rotation, as well as the shoulder rotation also.